Good morning. Today is March 18, 8:38 a.m. Okay, ang gusto kong i-discuss ngayon is about propositional logic. And open tayo ng Word document. So the topic for today is about propositional logic. Isa ito sa mga favorite subjects ko. So isa ito sa mga gustong-gusto kong itinuturo. Okay, why? First, ano ba itong propositional logic? Uh, sa ibang school or curriculum or dating tawag dito or isa pang tawag dito is symbolic logic. As against dun sa isang subject na logic na related sa philosophy. So, ito ay symbolic related to mathematics. Okay. But nowadays, itong propositional logic or symbolic logic, hindi na ito isang subject or kasama na siya or covered na siya as isa sa mga topics ng discrete math. Or discrete structures. Pabago-bago kasi mga tawag sa mga subjects. So dati discrete math, ngayon yung iba naman ay discrete structures. So ang nangyari, maraming topics sa discrete math, so discrete structures, and isa sa mga topics doon ay yung propositional logic. Which is sad kasi I think napakalaking tulong itong propositional logic, at least sa mga computer science or computer engineering students. Okay, why? Because propositional logic is directly applicable to computer circuit design. And conditional statements. Mga conditional statements sa programming. Yes. So, understanding or really digging deep into propositional logic will give you a very good foundation when it comes to computer circuits design and design of conditional statements when it comes to programming. Okay, so those are my reasons. Let us start the discussion about propositional logic. First, what is a proposition? A proposition is a statement that can either be true or false. See, so for any given statement, kung pwede mong sabihin yung statement na yun ay true or false, then that statement is a proposition. Okay, examples. Milk is white. Okay. Can we say that it is true or false that milk is white? Yes, we can say that this statement is true. So kung pwede nating sabihin na yung isang statement ay true or false, then that statement is a proposition. Okay, sa mathematics. Okay, so size of an empty set is 0. The size on an empty set is 0. Okay, so dun sa set theory naman, hindi lahat ng set ay may element. Meron ding set na walang laman. Tawag doon ay empty set. So kung titignan mo yung size, kung ilang elements meron sa isang empty set, the size of that empty set is 0 kasi wala siyang element. But still, it is a set. Kaya lang, empty set. Okay. So this statement is a proposition because we can say that this is true. An empty set, the size of an empty set is really 0. Okay, so another example, an absurd example. Humans are just fish with legs. Okay, so right out, pwede natin sabihin, this is false. Diba? But the point is this a proposition or not? This is a proposition kasi pwede natin sabihin, this statement is false. Okay? Another example, okay, ano-ano yung mga hindi matatawag na proposition? Yung mga questions, di ba? Yung mga questions hindi natin pwedeng matawag na proposition. So, not proposition. Okay, so ano yung mga hindi proposition? Yung mga questions. So, yung mga questions hindi natin matatawag na proposition because hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin kung yung question is true or false. Pero na nga lang kung yung question ay sa mga examination, yung mga true or false. Pero kung ang tanong, ang question ba ay proposition, no? It is not a proposition. So, yung mga imperatives is also not a proposition because ano ba yung mga imperatives? Yun yung mga commands, yung mga statement na nag-uutos. Bawa, go to sleep. Pwede ba nating sabihin, diba? Pwede ba nating sabihin na true or false yung statement na go to sleep? Diba? Diba hindi? So, imperatives or commands are not a proposition. Okay, so questions. Is this true or false? See? Is this true or false? So, pwede ba nating sabihin yung question na to that this question is true or false? No. So basta question, it is not a proposition. Okay, imperatives. Example ng imperative. Example is go to sleep. So this is statement, go to sleep. Hindi natin pwedeng masabi that this statement is true or false. So therefore, an imperative statement is not a proposition. Okay? Kaya na pa tayo ng mga examples. Ano-ano pa ba ang mga examples na pwede natin sabihin? So based from this example, siguro meron na kayong idea kung ano yung proposition at kung ano yung hindi. So ang pinaka solid na guide, pag nakakita ka ng statement, then kung pwede mong sabihin that statement is true or false, then that statement is a proposition. Okay, okay, let's continue. Sa propositional logic, this is a mathematical logic. So gagamit tayo ng mga symbols. Gamit tayo ng symbols, gagamit tayo ng formulas. Pero ang pagkakaiba kasi ito, this is discrete math. So more on logic ito. Hindi ito pares ng na natutunan nating math na more on computations. This is more on logic. Okay, so let's start. Anong mga symbols ang gagamitin natin? Okay, propositions. Propositions are denoted with capital letters. So, capital letters tayo. So, para lang maging clear na pag nakakita tayo ng capital letter sa isang propositional logic formula, yung capital letter na yon, yun ang proposition. Okay? Okay, example, P. Okay, example, P is equal to cheated. And Q I took the exam. Okay. So meron tayong dalawang propositions. I cheated. So pwede natin sabihin true or false. So this is a proposition. I took the exam. Pwede natin sabihin true or false. Na talagang nag-take siya ng exam, or talagang nag-cheat siya, or hindi siya nag-cheat. Okay? So, to represent these two propositions, gagamit tayo ng capital letters. Okay, sa yung proposition na I cheated, ginawa natin siyang value ng capital letter P. Then yung proposition na I took the exam, ginawa natin siyang value ng capital letter Q. Okay? Now, anong pwede natin gawin dito sa dalawang propositions na to? Pwede tayong gumawa ng tinatawag na propositional logic formulas. Or pwede natin siyang i-translate into a propositional logic formula. Pero para natin magawa yon, meron tayong gagamitin mga connectives. Okay. Connectives. Gamit tayo ng connectives kasi meron tayong dalawang propositions. So in order to create a compound proposition, compound statement, gagamit tayo ng connectives. Diba? Okay. Ano-ano yung mga connectives? Okay, ang mga connectives na gagamitin natin ay has something to do with yung mga basic operators ng logic. Okay. So, basic logic operators. So, basic logic operators, dito makikita nyo na talagang may connection siya sa computer circuits at sa programming, sa conditional statements. Yung mga basic logic operators ay yung AND, diba? Yung OR, saka yung NOT. Okay. Basic operator ba yung conditional or implication? Well, sige, isama na natin yun. Well, basic logic operators, yung AND or saka NOT, and conditional operator, and implication na lang. And implication. Well, sige, explain ko na lang. So, dun sa mga baguhan sa logic, explain ko na lang kung ano itong mga basic logic operators na to. Okay, so when it comes to connectives, muna, ano yung mga symbols? First, unahin muna natin yung AND logic. Okay, yung AND logic, ang operation ng AND logic ay conjunction. So, conjunction. So, ibig sabihin ng conjunction, next yun munang symbol. So, this is a connective. So, gagamit tayo ng symbol. Ang symbol nito ay yung letter A na walang nakasulat sa gitna. Okay. So, sandali, alak tayo dito ng symbol. So, para siyang AND. So, letter A. So, to denote that this is AND, yung symbol na letter A pero walang nakasulat sa gitna. Nasaan ba yan? Saan ko ba siya makikita? Special characters ba yun? Normal text, hindi. Special characters. Bakit gano'n? Hindi ko makita. Symbols. Meron pa ba ito? Wala na eh. Ba't ganito lang mga symbols nito? Ba't wala rito? Okay, sorry. Ba't wala dito? This Microsoft Word is, yun nga, version to sa Apple Macintosh. So, bakit ganito lang ang symbols nito? Hindi ko alam. Bakit ganito lang? Bakit yung Microsoft Word sa Windows ay maraming symbols? Hindi ko pa kabisadong gamitin siguro. Ito naman kasi equation eh. Pero nakita mo din sa equation, no? Maraming lumabas na symbol. Okay? So, hanap tayo dito ng symbol na pwede nating gamitin sa and or sa conjunction. Nandito kaya siya? Malamang kasi these are mathematical symbols. So, malamang na meron dito. Ito kaya yan? Parang yun, no? Pero, tingnan pa natin. Kasi, ayun. Ito sila. Ito silang dalawa. Logical and logical or. Okay. Yan. So, yan ang symbol sa and logic or sa conjunction. Okay. So, tapusin muna natin ito. Sunod natin yung or logic. So, habang nandyan yung mga symbols, tapusin muna natin. Pag or logic naman, ang operation niyan ay tinatawag na disjunction. Then, ang symbol ng or logic ay nawala yung mga symbols. Nawala yung mga symbols. Okay, so kanina nakita na natin dito. So, ito naman yung logical or. Okay, so yan ang symbol sa or logic or sa conjunction. Okay, so not logic. Not logic naman ay tinatawag na negation or inversion. Okay. Ang symbol naman na ginagamit dyan ay pwedeng tilde. Okay, so para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Yung tilde. Ito. Nasa keyboard naman yan eh. Yan, tilde na yan. So, sige, i-check lang natin. Yung tilde rito. Baka mas maganda. Ito. Approximately. Teka, dun sa kung saan natin nakita yung mga logic symbols. Ito. So, ito yung mga logic symbols. Similar to sa sim. Wala siyang tungkol sa negation. Okay. Ito ba yung symbol mo sa negation? Square cup. Ito ba yung symbol mo sa negation? Nope. Okay, lastly, tingin tayo dito. Pag wala pa rin, then gagamitin na lang natin yung tilde. Tilde na lang para simplified. Okay. So, ang ating symbol, pero ba't malalaki, no? Isang ulo, kay tilde, hanapin natin ng tilde. Sa grupo ng logic, may nakita tayo rito ng tilde. Tingnan natin. Malaki ba? Compare natin sa tilde na nandito sa keyboard. Okay, mas malaki siya. So, yan ang gagamitin natin ng symbols sa ating mga connectives and or sa negation, conjunction, disjunction, at negation. Then lastly, yung implication. Okay, implication, ito yung tinatawag na conditional. Okay, so yung mga may background dyan sa programming, yung if-then condition, then. Okay, ang symbol dyan ay yung arrow na nakaturo sa kanan or nakaturo sa kaliwa, pero always nakaturo sa kanan. So, punta tayo dun sa group ng mga logic. Meron ba diyang arrow na nakaturo sa kanan? Pag wala, pwede naman tayong gumawa using the keyboard. Ito, arrow na nakaturo sa kanan. Right arrow. Of course, right arrow, pangalan. Okay, so yan. Ito yung ating apat na connectives. Conjunction, disjunction, negation, saka implication. Okay. Sa conditional logic, natin lagay ito. Conditional logic. If then, okay. Sa propositional logic, ang tawag dito ay implication. Then, ang symbol niya ay yung R. Okay. Okay, so save ko lang to para for future reference. Sa lecture propositional logic. Okay. Sa kompleto na, negation, conjunction, disjunction, at implication. Okay, so doon sa mga walang background sa logic, sinabi mong conjunction, dapat lahat ng propositions, these are connectives. So, ginagamit to if there are two or more propositions. So, para sa example natin, we have two propositions, kaya tayo gagamit ng connectives. Okay? Siyempre, iba naman dito sa negation. Ang negation kasi ay binabaliktad mo o ini-inverse mo yung statement, yung proposition. Okay? So, pag sinabing conjunction, dapat lahat, all propositions in a statement, all propositions in a statement must be true okay, so maglagay tayo dito sa pag-conjunction, the statement is true if all. The statement is true if all the propositions are true. If all the propositions in that statement are true. Okay? So for a given statement, magiging true lang yung statement na yon kung ang lahat ng propositions na nandun sa statement na yon ay totoo. Okay? Example, meron tayong dalawang propositions, P and Q. Okay, copy na natin. Ay, hindi pala pwedeng copy yun. Hindi pala siya pwedeng i-copy. See? Hindi siya pwedeng i-copy. Pwede. Okay. Example, ang ating statement may dalawang propositions, P and Q. Okay, so ang basa doon sa symbol na yan ay N. So, is this statement true or false? So, question, is this statement true or false? Okay? Depende. Okay, lagyan natin siya dito. Okay, example, P and Q. Is this statement true or false? Okay, it depends. If P is false and okay, and Q is false and Q is false, then this statement is false. Okay, so remember, all the propositions in that statement are true. Diba? So dahil parehong false, then this statement is false. Okay, so kapag yung isa ay false and yung isa ay true, then still this statement is false. Okay? Kung yun namang proposition P ang true and pero yung proposition Q ay false, then the statement is still false. Okay, this time, pag pareho silang true, then the statement is said to be true. Okay, so yan ang ibig sabihin ng conjunction or and logic. Para maging true yung isang statement, dapat lahat ng propositions na nandun sa statement na yon ay true. Okay? Or logic naman, or disjunction. Okay, or logic or disjunction. The statement is true. Okay, so copy na lang natin to para madali. Control C. The statement is true if any. Okay. So this time naman, if any of the propositions, if any, it's true if any of the propositions in that statement is true, or okay, so if any of the propositions in that statement is true. So magkatotoo lang kahit isa doon sa mga propositions na nandoon, then the statement is true. Okay, copy na natin ito. Kulang ng space. Babara natin siya. Okay. Ba't sumabla ka naman dyan? Ito ka dyan. Okay. So, the symbol now would be ganito. Type the equation here. Anong nangyari? Yan. Okay. Mas madali pa yata kung isa-isahin ko na lang to. Okay. Sige, so ang unang situation dyan, so yung mga possible combination ng truth values, halimbawa parehong false. Okay. So yung dalawang proposition ay parehong false, then the entire statement is false. Okay. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng disjunction. Kung yung isang statement ay false, kung yung isang proposition ay false, then yung isa ay true, then the entire statement is true. Okay. Kung yung isa ay true, then yung isa ay false, then the entire statement is true. Okay. Pag parehong true yung mga propositions na nandun, then the entire statement is true. Okay. So basta yun ang palatandaan dyan, pag sinabi mong disjunction or logic, basta merong isang true or parehong true, then that statement is true. Yun ang sabihin ng or disjunction. Not logic naman, negation. So negation means the inverse. The inverse of the statement. The inverse of the proposition. The inverse of the proposition or the entire statement. So ginamit ko lang na proposition statement to differentiate the two. So pagka compound, there are two or more propositions, ito po tinatawag ni statement. So pag nag-iisa lang naman yung proposition, hindi ko tinatawag ni statement para magkaroon lang ng differentiation. Okay. So halimbawa, paano natin ma-invert ito? Halimbawa, in-invert ko yung P, proposition P. Proposition P is I cheated, di ba? So, i-inverse ko siya by tilde P. So, sabihin nito, I did not cheat. Kasi inverse yun ng I cheated. Okay. And, bawa I, or Q. I did not cheat or I took the exam. Okay. So, pwede rin naman na yung entire statement ang i-invert mo. Bawa ay ganito. P or Q. Okay, so yun ang ibig sabihin the inverse of the proposition. So ito yun. Yung proposition P, naglagay ako ng negation. So, yung kabaliktaran ng proposition P or the inverse of the entire statement. So, ang ginawa ko ay ganito. Yung dalawang propositions that makes up the statement, nilagay ko sa loob ng parenthesis, then dun sa labas ng parenthesis, dun ako naglagay ng negation. So, this means, yung buong statement ang ini-inverse ko. Okay? Implication. So, ang symbol ng implication, yung right arrow. So, dito sa keyboard, pwede tayong gumawa ng right arrow. Pwede tayong gumawa ng V, ng tilde. Ang wala lang yung sa conjunction, no? yung A na walang horizontal bar. So, meron ba rito A na walang horizontal bar? Meron. Sa taas ng number 6. Okay, testing natin. Paano niya tayo gagamit itong equations na to? Ayan o. Hirap eh. Sa taas na number 6. Yung parang naka-superscript. Parang it indicates exponentiation. O yan na lang gamitin natin para madali lang gamitin sa keyboard kasi it wastes so much time kasi na so, para mabilis tayo. So this is the symbol for conjunction or AND logic, yung exponentiation symbol. Kapareho din naman siya, kaya lang medyo nasa itaas siya. So same. Okay, so yun ang gagamitin natin dyan. Then dito naman, para hindi na tayo nagka-copy-paste, yung small letter V. Okay, so ito ang gagamitin natin for logic or disjunction. Or logic or disjunction. Okay. Then sa negation, yung tilde na nandun na din naman sa keyboard. Then yung conditional logic, madali nang gumawa nitong right arrow. Okay, sige. Gawa na tayo ng right arrow. So, ganito paggawa ng right arrow. Isa, dalawa, then yung greater than. See, magiging na siya right arrow. Okay, ang implication naman ay if then, so, may condition, then may mangyayari. Di ba? So, condition, this is the condition, then ano ang implication ng condition na yan? So, consequence. Okay? So, may condition, then ano ang consequence ng condition na yan? Yun ang tinatawag na implication. Okay. So, dito sa implication, if then ito, if ganito ang condition, then ganito ang consequence. Okay, so if this is the condition, okay, then this is the consequence. Okay. Let's see. If this is the condition, okay, so nakakita tayo dito ng if. If. Yan. So nakakita tayo dyan ng if. This is an implication. So maglagay na agad tayo ng right arrow. Then, dun sa left side ng right arrow, dun natin nilalagay yung condition. Then, dun sa right side ay yung consequence o yung implication pag may nakita tayong then. So, after the then, nandun yung proposition, that is the consequence or the implication ng current condition. Okay? So, mamaya, magbibigay tayo ng mga examples dyan. Okay. So, let's see. Anong ang magandang example? So, meron na tayong dalawang propositions. I cheated. I took the exam. So, medyo malito. Dapat nag-take muna siya ng exam para siya makapag-cheat. Di ba? Kasi na unang proposition yung I cheated. Then, nag-take siya ng exam. Okay, so palitan natin para mas maganda yung ating example. I cheated. Okay. I took the exam. Okay. PQ R. Tingnan pa natin. So, ano ang pwedeng mangyari? Okay. Ano ang pwedeng mangyari dyan? I took the exam. I cheated. I was caught. Then, nung nahuli siya, siyempre, ano ang mangyayari sa kanya? Okay. I get caught. Then, I fail. I took the exam. I cheated. I get caught. I fail. Okay? So, ito yung ating apat na propositions denoted by capital letters P, Q, R, and S. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng sentence. Gawa tayo ng sentence out of these four propositions. Okay. I took the exam. I took the exam and I cheated. And I cheated. Okay. I took the exam and I cheated. If I get caught, then I will fail. Okay, so future tense, no? Okay, so may plano na siya. So, future pa lang, kung ako'y mahuhuli, di ba? Then ako'y babagsak. So, I will take the exam. I will take the exam and I will cheat. Diba? If I get caught, then I will fail. Okay? So, ito yung ating example. Then, i-translate natin. So, what we are doing is translation. Okay, so translation. Okay, from English. So, this is an English sentence. English sentence. I will take the exam and I will cheat. If I get caught, then I will fail. So this is a proper English sentence. So ita-translate natin siya into propositional logic formula. Okay, so pwede na namang sabihin natin na propositional logic expression. Pwede ganun, ano? Pero dahil ito yung mathematics, discrete math, ginagamit natin ay formula. So next time, para madali na lang tayo, ito na lang ang abbreviation niya, yung PLF. Sa English, translate English to PLF. Okay, so translate natin. I will take the exam. So anong proposition nyo? I will take the exam. So dito, ang pinakamalapit na proposition ay yung I took the exam. So, sa ating propositional logic formula, gamitin natin yung P. I will take the exam and, okay, so underline natin yan, and. May connective na and, so gamit tayo ng connective na and I will cheat. So, I will cheat. Ito ang pinakamalapit na proposition dyan. I cheated. So, Q. Okay? I will take the exam and I will cheat. So, this is a statement. So, para maiduktong natin to, and if I get caught, okay, so so may nakita na tayo dito na and underline, underline, and then may nakita tayo dito if. So na yan, if. So immediately maglagay na tayo dito ng symbol para sa implication, di ba? If I get caught, so R dito siya sa left side. If I get caught, then, so dito siya sa right side, I will fail. So, ang pinakamalapit na proposition doon is I failed. So, okay. So, P and Q, I will take the exam and I will cheat. And if I get caught, then I will fail. Okay? So, ito ang ating propositional logic formula out of sa English sentence na I will take the exam and I will cheat, and if I get caught, then I will fail. So, from that English sentence, ito ang ating translation into PLF. So, P and Q and if R then S. So, paano ang basa nito sa PLF? Paano natin siya babasahin? P and Q and if R then S. So, ganito naman ang basa niyan sa propositional logic. P and Q and if R then S. Okay? So, yun na awang ating translation. Now, is na so, let's focus on the translation. Okay. So, let's do another translation exercise. Translation exercises. Okay, so may ginawa na tayo dati. From English to propositional logic formula. Okay. Okay, so focus muna kayo sa translation. So given yung English sentence, that translate into propositional logic formula. Okay, so this is what they come up with. Then, pag binasa yan, ang basa dyan ay P and Q and if R then S. So yun ang basa dyan. Okay, now, number 2. So this is number 1. Okay, so second, given naman ang PLF. Okay, so given ng PLF, ita-translate natin into English sentence. Okay, so let's see. Okay, nasaan yung ating mga propositions? Baba natin yung mga propositions. Excuse me. Ito yung mga propositions natin. Propositions. Okay. So we have 4 propositions. Excuse. Okay, now let's see. Anong gagawin natin sa second exercise. I will take the exam. I will take the exam and I will cheat. And if I get caught, then I will fail. So, halimbawa, ganito naman ang propositional logic formula. And Q, then implication, I will get caught, and I will fail. Okay, so let's see. Translate natin into English. Okay. May translation natin sa English. P. Okay, P. I took the exam. I took the exam. Of course, my N was Q. I took the exam and I cheated. Wait. Okay, so first, we observe na mayroong implication. Okay? So pag may nakita kayong ganyang implication, isulat nyo na agad yung if then. If, then blah 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 blah, comma, then. Okay, then blah 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 blah. Okay, if. Yung if, yung nasa kaliwa ng implication. So P and Q. Okay, P, if I took the exam. If I took the exam. Okay. So tenses, if. If I future tense, if I will take the exam. If I will take the exam. Okay, T. Tapos may end. And Q. Ano yung Q? I cheated. I cheated. Okay? Pero this is future tense. If pa lang naman eh. And I cheat. Siguro. If I cheat, then ano mangyayari? Then are if I will take the exam and I cheat, then are I get caught. I will get caught. And S, I will fail. Okay, let us see. Tama. If I will take the exam and I cheat, then I will get caught and I will fail. Okay? Pwede? So magkaiba naman siya dito. I will take the exam and I will cheat. And if I get caught, then I will fail. Diba? Dito, yung if ay kung mahuli siya. Pero dito naman, yung if ay kung magte-take siya ng exam at mag-cheat siya. Pero kung magte-take siya ng exam, hindi naman siya mag-cheat. Okay? So, hindi mangyayari yun din. Diba? Okay. Okay, next. So, after learning about translation, pwede na natin gawin yung truth value. So, establishing the truth value of an English sentence or any propositional logic formula. Okay. At tayo na example. Ito. Testingin natin to. Sample na to. Okay, so example number, nasan ba tayo? Okay, so number 3. Sample number 3. Okay, example number 3. English. If James does not die, then Mary will not get any money, and James's James's family James's baliktad. Then James's family will be happy. Okay? So this is English sentence. Translate natin siyempre sa propositional logic formula. Okay? Okay? Let's see. If so nakita natin may implication. So yun agad ang gagawin natin. We will see or we will look kung mayroong implication. May nakita tayong implication. If then. Okay? So maglagay na tayo ng symbol for implication. So dito natin nilalagay dun sa kaliwa yung statement or proposition na if. Then dito yung proposition na then. Okay? So if James does not die. Okay, so yung unang proposition yung ating proposition P. James does not die. Ito. James does not die. James does not die. Okay, next. Then, Mary will not get any money. So, proposition Q. Kaya lang, merong not. Okay, so paano gagawin natin dyan sa not? So for now, wag muna natin isama. Kasi not is negation. So, yun munang proposition na hindi negated. So, will not get any money. So, ilalagay natin na will get money. Will get money. So, as much as possible, itry natin itama yung grammar. Then, may end dito. So, therefore, this is another proposition. James's family will be happy. So, this will be proposition R. Okay, tama. James's family will be happy. Okay? So, ito yung tatlong propositions na na-identify natin dito sa sentence na to. Okay, paano natin na-identify? Kasi in-identify natin yung mga connectives. If, then, not, and. Okay. So, if James does not die. So, if P, James does not die. If James does not die, then, so punta na tayo dito sa then, okay, then, Mary will not get any money. Mary will get money, so Q, pero will not get So, meron itong negation. Mary will not get any money. Ay, sandali. If James does not die. Okay, meron pala ditong negation. Okay, so James dies. So lalagyan natin dito sa proposition P yung unnegated, so James dies. Pero dito nakalagay if James does not die. So this is negated. If James does not die, then Mary will not get any money. So Q, negated yung Q. And okay, James's family will be happy. James's family will be happy. So this is R. Okay, let's double check. Not P. P is James dies. Pero sa sentence, James does not die. So this is correct. This is symbol, this is the connective for implication, yung if and then. So nandiyan yung if. Dito na tayo sa then. Kasi sumunod sa sentence ay then. Mary will not get any money. So Q is Mary will get money. So Q. Then ang negation nun ay not Q. Mary will not get any money. Tapos connective na and. Then yung proposition na James's family will be happy, which is R. Okay? So ito yung ating formula. So this will be our propositional logic formula or PLF. Okay? This will be our answer. Okay, so next. Okay, let's see if we'll get another example. So last example na to. Dali lang, ganap lang ako na example. Okay, so wala na. That will be all for today. So this is our introduction, your introduction to propositional logic. So again, naging topic na lang to sa subject na discrete math or discrete structures. Pero dati may subject na ganito, ang tawag ay symbolic logic. Hindi ko lang alam kung yung iba ay may symbolic logic pa rin. Okay. So lahat ng matututunan nyo rito is directly applicable to computer circuit design and sa design ng conditional statements sa programming. So either ang course mo is computer science or computer engineering, then kakailanganin mo to. Yung knowledge and skill sa propositional logic. Okay? If you like this video, click like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.